Hi guys, right, so slightly different start to this video. As you can tell, I'm not in a shed. We are in a new location. As you can probably see behind me, it looks very much like an RC racetrack.
Yeah.
So this video is going to be awesome. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. So this place has been on YouTube, a couple of different channels. So this is the RC racetrack that we are going to be racing around today. But there's also a few jumps, some awesome crawler places. So if you guys want to come down here and bring the crawlers, it looks pretty good. I've got a trolley full of RC cars, and I've got the Creighton and of course my coffee, can't go without that. And we've got Johnny over here setting up his drone, so we're hopefully going to get some awesome drone footage today of the cars going around the track. Hi Johnny. Right, let's get some cars out, get some batteries in, let's get ripping. Right, let's try the Senton. Oh, I nearly held that. So that's it for this video, guys. But that was absolutely awesome. Such good fun with the drone. Yeah, really enjoyed that day. So hopefully we'll get some more footage with the drone and Johnny's well into his RC cars as well, so hopefully we can get him on some of the cars. But let me know in the comments, what did you think? Did you prefer the footage with the drone, or would you prefer a bit more of a mix, sort of different camera angles and things like that? With the more people I get to come out with me and like with a drone and cameras and stuff like that. Johnny actually has his own YouTube channel, so he's used to it all anyway. But the more people I can get out with me, the more camera angles I can get, so be much better. But yeah, let me know in the comments, did you like the drone footage? If not, then let me know. But that is it for this video, and I shall see you guys next week. But please remember, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe and turn on bell notifications. That way you'll know exactly when I drop my next video. Cheers guys, I'll see you later. You're awesome.